How to set up a new iPhone without iCloud. Hi friends! Today I'll show you how to set up a new iPhone without using iCloud. If you don't want to sign in right away or you don't have access to an Apple ID, watch this video until the end. I'll explain everything step by step, fast and simple. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Step 1. Turn on your iPhone. Take your brand new iPhone or a used one that's been reset. Press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. In a few seconds, the welcome screen will appear in different languages. Step 2. Set up without iCloud. Choose your language and country. Tap Continue. Select Set up without another device. Now connect to Wi-Fi, then tap Continue again. On the next screen, choose Adult as the setup option. You'll be asked about Face ID, Touch ID, and a passcode. You can set them up now or tap Set up later. Then comes the Account Apple screen. Here's the trick. Tap Don't transfer anything. At the bottom, select Forgot password or don't have an account. Then choose Set up later in settings. You'll see a warning that some features like the App Store and iCloud won't be available. Just tap Don't use, agree with the terms, and press Continue. Step 3. Final setup. Next, you can configure Siri, screen time, and other options. But remember, all of these can be set up later. Just tap Continue or Skip. Step 4. Your iPhone without iCloud. That's it. Your iPhone is now ready, fully set up, but without iCloud. You can call, text, use the camera, and enjoy all built-in apps. And if you decide later that you want iCloud, just go to Settings, sign in with your Apple ID, and sync your data. Conclusion. So that's how you set up a new iPhone without iCloud. A quick and easy way to start using your phone right away. Don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.